Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. I got the day right today. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Sun is shining. Here we are. Let me show you where I'm at. Fields Avenue here, Perimeter Road. Just right down there is ABC Hotel. I'm here at Kona Restaurant, Food and Drink Place. I'm just going to take a walk up the road here. Gotta go see my barber, Manny, and he is not in yet. Here's the brass knob. Good morning. Brass knob here on the left. Look at these kids out having fun. Brass knob on the left. They do all day breakfast. $2.95. It has been a while. A long while since I ate breakfast in there. New York style pizza. I think the last time we were in there, Lut and I were sitting out here, and it was right before they did the lockdown, and places were starting to shut down and they were closing down, but Brass Knob was open. So we went in there and we were sitting there. As soon as we sat down, the PNP truck pulled up full of PNP officers in the back, and they came in there. Where's the manager? You guys got to shut down. And Lut and I just got up and left. We didn't have breakfast. This little coffee place there. Take your time and stroll around. You can kind of see what they have here. It's a little bakery, coffee shop. Milanos. Let me see. I want to shoot in here quick. Hello. Here they go. Pizzas and baguettes and bread and donuts. Everything made fresh? Yeah. Everything's made fresh. All right. Good morning. I have to stop in here. Let go. All right. I have to stop in there sometime. Fresh bread. I think that's the first time I was ever in there. Little seating area, you could sit down, drink coffee. Albacco, however you pronounce it, Italian restaurant here on the left. They are open 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. according to their sign. Fred's Pie is right down there. Quite a few. Have I seen? Unless they moved. Maybe they moved. Fred's Pie. I don't know. Don't hold me to it. There's another little store on the left here. Got quite a few stuff in there. Morning. It's a nice little grocery store. Morning. Have all your basic needs in there. Authentic Chinese cuisine open. This thing, you can stop at these little places like that, these little eatery places here. Good morning. And Wings Unlimited. You can stop at these little places like this along the street, pay next to nothing, and have a decent meal. This place here, I come here to get honey, pure honey. There's Manny's, my barber. He's still not in there. I go back to that place to get honey. The honey comes from up in Baguio, but boy, it is great honey. It's funny how B-Way and I'm talking about honey, but I've gotten honey in there, and it's so thick, and I've already gotten honey in there, and there's chunks of wax and everything in there. There's your little seafood place. They got all your seafood needs. Morning. Joe's Chili Dog. Where's Joe? Where's Joe? Voila. Joe's Chili Dog Ballpark, New York Chili Cheese, Johnsonville, Wisconsin Brats, and A&W Root Beer, USA quality. I wanted a hot dog from Joe's Chili Dogs. Is this place here on the right? What's going on in there? I don't know. But it's been being built. I've seen full malls go up quicker than this place here. It's an impressive looking big building, but what is it? I was told multiple things throughout the year. At one point somebody said it was a mall, and then at one point somebody said it was all call centers, and I guess when it's open we will all find out. Emotions with a touch of class. They are open in the morning. It says Perimeter Hotel. I don't know if there's it says red doors up there. Maybe they're associated with red doors.
How are you?
Morning. And we have to the left America Hotel, American Hotel, Hotel America. What is it called? Hotel Amero. I know I've walked up through here quite a bit throughout the years, but I know people like to see what's going on, what's new, if there is anything new. But this has not opened, has never reopened. One thing here, when I stayed here, I stayed in there years ago. What was nice was their swimming pool is right in the middle of the court area inside, and it's nice because it is morning. It's nice because it's shaded all the time, so you never go in the pool when it's like hot. You know, sometimes you get into a pool around here and it's been sitting and beating and cooking in the sun. When you get in, it's not even refreshing. Doesn't even cool you down. But that hotel had that was a nice pool. Always cool, always refreshing. Immigration services. Looking to see what's around. CPI Call Shop. Everybody has heard of CPI Call Shop. Hotel, there's your Hotel Eurasia. ATM machine outside. JP Spa. There's a little laundromat in there. Do-it-yourself laundromat or drop it off services. I don't know. Wash, dry, fold, full service. Good morning. I just want to walk down here to the Lewis Grand. Drove by and I seen something going on. My lady used to be back in there, and she has moved. Well, she's long gone by now. Pie lady, boy, do I miss her pies. JB Sport and Restaurant, JB Sports Bar, Restaurant, and Videoke Bar. Here's your little nurseries, or you can pick up your decoration, outside decoration needs. corner of that building. Big impressive building. It goes down for quite a while. Alright, here we're coming up. Lewis Grand Lewis. I will give you the right name that it's called. Lewis Grand Hotel. Shame because this one never opened up either. Reopened after pandemic, and it just, I always thought it was a nice looking, impressive hotel. You know, from the outside it looks nice, and I mean, you can tell it needs some maintenance, new maintenance done. New paint job will make it look brand new again. But I did notice people were weed whacking in here and cleaning up in here. So hopefully this is going to reopen. We don't know. Somebody asked me that they heard the Grand Lewis or Lewis Grand Hotel was going to reopen. I don't know, guys. I really don't. We would always drive by here or walk by here, and they always had the water fountain going. It just looked really nice, really classy. I've had friends stay in there, and they said they really did like it. They really did enjoy it. Oh, somebody tagged a window. See, these guys here were weed whacking. Somebody tagged a window. I might have stepped in the lobby at one time years ago. Don't know what the pool situation is like. Couldn't tell you. Is the door open? Gonna peek and look. There's the lobby. Boy, that's nice. Big staircase going up. Boy, that's really nice. Let me ask the guy. All right, so I just got done speaking to the security guard. He really doesn't know, which is, you know, a lot of times security guards don't know what's going on. Their job is to secure the building, to make sure nobody's breaking in, make sure nobody's squatting in there or hanging out in there or anything like that. So he didn't know what was going on. He basically said they're just cleaning up. So what does that mean? How far are they going as far as cleaning up? I don't know. Is it for sale? I don't know. I know I don't know a lot, but but you got to ask questions to find out. Not everybody's a know-it-all. There's guys that know everything about everything, yet they don't live here, never stepped into Philippines, or might have stepped into Philippines and visit here, but they know a lot. Well, I'm here to tell you, I'd rather tell you I don't know than tell you a lie. So that's what's going on. That being said, I'm gonna go see if Manny is in the barber shop, and gotta get a shave and a haircut. And with that, we'll talk to you later.